Today we're presenting the PNI IP808J surveillance camera. A PO model with 8 megapixels, perfect for outdoor use. Inside the box, we find the camera, the mounting kit, the sealing gasket, and the user manual. Everything is packed simply and efficiently, just what you need for a quick and easy installation. The camera has a compact design, a metal housing, and a solid build, suitable for any weather conditions. The Ethernet connector allows PO power, one single cable for both data and power. The IP808J model offers 8 megapixel resolution and black light illumination for vivid color images, even at night. For a complete system, you can use the PNI IP716J PO NVR, a dedicated surveillance HDD, and the PNI SWPOE82 PO switch, if you want to connect multiple cameras. Installation is simple. Insert the hard drive into the NVR, then connect the Ethernet cables. Power supply, HDMI, and mouse. Everything is plug and play, ready for setup on a monitor or TV. On screen, the system automatically detects the PO camera. From the menu, you can adjust resolution, image quality, and smart features. For mobile access, scan the QR code displayed on the monitor and add the NVR in the mobile app. In just a few seconds, you get the live image directly on your phone, wherever you are. PNI IP808J, 8MP clarity, easy setup, and long-term reliability. Product link in the comments. PNI, complete surveillance solutions.